I've been introduced to a hair mask that I see all over social media, and I really wanted to see what the hype was about. So I've teamed up with Coco and Eve to try out their Like a Virgin Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. It claims to be a 5-in-1 treatment that restores dry and damaged hair. It improves the hair texture and shine, hydrates and deeply conditions, treats split ends and tames frizz, and it transforms your hair in only 10 minutes. So keep watching as I'm going to demo how this hair treatment works and if it lives up to its claims. Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle and this is DiscoCurlstv. If you're new here, welcome. My channel provides tips on how to care for your fine curly hair so that you feel empowered and supported to be the best version of yourself. I post weekly on Sundays and I would love to have you subscribe because I do curly hair tutorials, product reviews, DIYs, pregnancy and postpartum hair chat, and much more. Before I jump into this demo, I want to talk about how cute this packaging is and talk about the scent and consistency. One of my favorite things about this hair mask is the scent because it includes some of my favorite fragrances like coconut and fig. The fig really comes through and I feel like this is perfect for the winter because it's so warm and inviting. And I don't know about you guys, but I love changing my fragrance every season, and I feel like this is perfect for this time of year. The consistency is thick and smooth and slippery, and the first time I used this, I was so impressed with how quickly my tangles came out. Now it does come with their Tangle Tamer, which obviously benefits curly hair because of how much more tangled we get, but the conditioner itself does do a lot of work for you. Now let's talk about what's in it. The 5 key ingredients in this mask are coconut, fig, shea butter, argan oil, and linseed. It's sulfate, phthalate, and paraben free, and it's vegan, gluten, and cruelty free. So let's go ahead and start the demo. I am going to start on cleansed hair to make sure that my hair is really clean. I like to use a sulfate free shampoo. It just helps the mask do its magic. Next, I'm going to use a generous amount of the Coco and Eve Coconut and Fig Hair Mask to my hair, concentrating it on my ends and moving up the hair shaft. I normally would use a conditioner first, but I do feel like it can be skipped because of how well this has been working on my hair. I also want to add that this can be applied 2 to 3 times per week if your hair is extremely dry or damaged, 1 to 2 times per week for normal hair, and if you have an oily scalp or fine low density curls like myself, you can just avoid the scalp area and really focus on the ends and mid shaft area. Now I'm going to use the Tangle Tamer to help work through some of these smaller baby tangles that my fingers really can't get to. Now that my hair is saturated, I am going to bun it back and let it sit on for about 10 minutes. During this time, if I'm in the shower, I like to shave my legs or wash my face or just enjoy a warm shower. Now that the 10 minutes are up, it's time to rinse out, and let me tell you that my hair does feel really silky and smooth. It feels hydrated and conditioned. And now I'm going to apply my stylers, which typically include a leave-in conditioner, styling cream, and gel, and then just let that air dry. And while my hair is air drying, I'm going to get ready for a fancy holiday party and apply some jewel tone shades on my eyes that will work perfectly for this time of year. Now that my hair is dried and my makeup is done, it's time to reevaluate the claims. Before I start picking it out and fluffing it, does it feel restored? Yes, it does. Does the texture feel improved and shiny? Well, yeah, there's a definite distinction from before. I've already mentioned that my hair does feel hydrated and conditioned, so we can also check that off the list. What about my split ends and the frizz? There's definitely improvement on the ends, and of course, there is a huge improvement on the frizz. Lastly, for only using this mask for 10 minutes, I do feel like I have great results. Most of the masks that I've used in the past, they require me to keep it on for, anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. And I love that this is only 10 minutes because I'm just a busy mom. I don't have that kind of time anymore. Now I'm going to fluff out my hair and use the pick because that's just how I like to wear my hair. So I will go ahead and start the fluffing. I just want enough to give myself a little bit of volume, but not too much because I don't want a lot of frizz. I mean, my curls look awesome. Love it. I am happy to say that this mask does live up to its claims and my hair smells delicious. I love smelling my hair, and so does my husband. He's super attracted to my scent. He kind of follows me around and is in my hair when I wear this hair mask. I've even had people come up to me randomly in the supermarket just asking what fragrance I'm wearing because it does smell that good. And that completes my review and demo of the Coco Eve Like a Virgin Hair Mask. I'd love to hear from all of you about what you think about my results, and also if you've tried this mask before, let me know down below in the comments. If you're new to my fine curly crew, I'd love to have you subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you are properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.